In this video, I'm sharing with you a really simple 5-ingredient dinner that's packed with micronutrients, fiber, and protein for a plant-based diet. So the 5 ingredients that you're going to need are 1 package of tofu. I like to use firm tofu, a little bit of olive oil, which is optional if you prefer, some barbecue sauce. I use the Trader Joe's organic barbecue sauce, but you can use any type that you prefer. And you basically just layer a little bit of oil, a little bit of sauce, slice the tofu, place that into your baking dish. I like to use a Pyrex meal prep container for this because any leftovers, I can just put the lid on and pop it right back into the oven after storing it in the fridge for up to 5 days. So I'm going to place that into a preheated oven at 425 degrees. Then I'm going to start getting the Brussels sprouts prepared. Brussels sprouts are packed with fiber and antioxidants as well. They are a cruciferous vegetable, so they're also basically in the leafy green vegetable category. So they're a really great way to get vegetables into your diet, and they're just so good when they're roasted. So I just peeled off the first outer layer of each Brussels sprout, then I gave them a good rinse. I cut them in half and I put a little bit of olive oil into another Pyrex meal prep container. Then I just tossed the Brussels sprouts in olive oil. Now here you can add any seasonings or herbs or spices, but to be honest, I just put them in olive oil and they just taste so good like this. So then I bake those along with the tofu in the preheated 425 degrees Fahrenheit oven. And then I also had some roasted sweet potatoes already meal prepped in my refrigerator. So I popped those into the oven as well, and those kind of became like twice baked sweet potatoes, and they were so sweet and so delicious. So everything baked for about 40 minutes, just kind of depends on how well done you like everything, but that's it. If you really enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And also check out the link in my bio for my plant-based and thriving over 40 toolkit, where I share all kinds of tools and things that you can use to thrive on a plant-based diet after 40. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.